Hey there friends, it's Ayesha. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, well, a birdie told me that you just might want to see what one of the packages consists of if you're interested in buying a kit and want to try paper play. So yes, if you want to check out my website, it's trypaperplay.com. And I do have an Etsy store where you can purchase my journals uh, already made. But in the event that you don't want to buy one made, but you instead choose to create your own, which would be fabulous, then I have packages where you can go in and purchase your own. Now, my journals vary, they're not all the same. So this is just another version where it's a rustic look with uh, paper bags with the pocket at the front and supported by an envelope here with extra writing opportunities in here at the front. So you can take this out and put in your own as you wish, embellishing and adding, different papers to your journals. You can do whatever you choose. You can take out whatever I've placed in here, or you can add your own. So this actually is not completely stuffed. As you can tell, I'm able to still put stuff in here and I have nothing else lying here. But when you get the kits, you're able to add and decorate as much as you choose. And so I wanted to give you an opportunity where you can create your own. And so I carry kits when you go on to trypaperplay.com. Now, here is your sample kit that you would receive. Of course, they're all varied. So this is just a lovely embellishment. Let me take out. So each package will have its own items. So this is just a lovely gift. If you happen to be someone who have your own supplies, then you may by chance have something where you can cut out this shape. If not, if you go online, there are many tutorials where you can actually, without a cutting machine, cut out shapes with your dies. So this will be going to gift to someone. I've packaged a stamp set. Some pieces are not here. I've taken some of the letters, some of the sentiments, but I have almost everything else in here and some sentiments. So for example, I've left the one that says thank you very much. Another one that says let's celebrate your day. And basically you're able to build blossoms with this. So if you have stamps, then you probably have stamping blocks, and this would be perfect. You would need a stamping block for this, okay? Now, if you don't have a stamping block, let me know. I will throw one in for you. It's not going to be, a pricey one, but I will throw one in for you. This is exactly what you see in here. These are tabs for your journals I've placed in here. And these go over the edging of your journals just to create additional oomph. So this will go over just like so, and you glue it, and then it sticks out, and it looks oh so pretty. All right, so I've sent a bunch of those along. That's what that is. And it's not sealed. I just have a clip on that. So I have a number of those. So this one, it's got some hearts in there. Again, these are great for embellishments. Gonna set that aside. In here, I've got some corners for your books, for your journals and such. I've got just a few scatters of little pretties to decorate your pages. I've got some eyelets on here as well. I just want to make sure that you get all the little goodies that you need. You might have some of your own items, but isn't it fun getting a few things extra? Of course it is. So I'm just going to close that up. Here I've got some bows. So again, these would be great for your pages. And I collect these little books because they're great to take apart and use the covers for journals, or you can use it within the journal that you would be building. And this is a Read to Yourself Cinderella Story, the Lady Bird books, and these are always fun. So I threw one in for you. Hope you can use that. Now, just in the event that you don't want something in a package, you can give it to someone or tell me, Ayesha, could you keep that out and let me have an extra this or that? But this is one. Take out these threads. These are wonderful for ruffles. As you can see here at the edge, I was consistent in this one here. I did provide you with a piece here. It's about maybe 7 inches. One second, my throat is a bit dry. All right. So just some extra ruffles that you can play around with. Maybe you don't want to use ruffles. Love this lace. And so in here, this is just a sample starter that you can use to add all of your additional so with this starter journal, you will be able to utilize these extra envelopes and such within. So I got you envelopes. I've provided you with some extra writing pages, and all of these pages you'll be able to either keep for another journal. This is from 1939, guys. 1939. How do you like that? So just a little bit of goodies there for you. So again, this I've started it for you already. You can add some more of these, and what I will be doing, I've not taken them together yet, but what I will be doing is cutting down some wallpaper sheets so that you can have to go within your journal. So wallpaper sheets are great to add to your journal. So I will be adding some of these to your kit. Okay, so you have it as part of that. And I see one hiding here. So this is a set of butterflies I've put in here. So these are butterflies and such. Okay, so these are great for page embellishments. You've got a lovely kit here, and this entire package of kit with all the goodies and such will be $20 plus shipping. And listen, this is such a great deal. It's stinking good. So it would be $20 plus shipping, and shipping generally for the weight of this stuff probably will be about $15 give or take. So what I will do is make it a flat $15 for shipping, and if it's more than that, I will cover. If it's less, I will let you know that, and I can e-transfer back the amount. That's not a problem. But actually, you know what I'm thinking? Yeah, let's do 13. So let's do $13 plus the $20 shipping. If it's over, that's okay. I will cover that. So that's not a problem at all. I just want to make sure that you get um, these in your hands. So it will be $33 for this lovely kit. Like I said, I will add some more wallpaper sheets for you. You've got your book corners. You've got this lovely die, your ribbon, some hearts to decorate it with. You've got your side tabs. You've got this lovely punch. Remember, if you don't have a stamping block, let me know. I will send one for you. It will be the bigger one. So you may just want to seek one of your own. Let me know, because the one that I will be sending you, it wouldn't be just the suit. It will be the traditional ones that you get from the dollar store. This lovely Cinderella, these envelopes, and the only thing that I will be adding to this that's left, other than all your pages and such, will be some thread for you so that you can do this with. And I will send some thread for you. And so if you do not have, what else will you, in doing this, aside from the kit, and if you're ordering this and you're a novice, you've not had any experience at all, but yet you want to try this bundle, let me know. Why is that? Because I can give you some more tips and ideas that you can utilize, and there are some added pieces that you would need. Now, if you're established and you're a regular paper crafter, journal builder, and such, then you will have all the basic pieces to create your journal. So let me know. This will be $33 total, and I will get this in the mail. I love the fact that I've already created the bare bone of this. And listen, paper crafting is one of the most therapeutic and beautiful uh, way of therapy and community building and all the other beautiful things. So in this package, you will have, when you're finished, a lovely, lovely journal that you can look at. And if you're not, again, experienced, then we can chat. Just send me a message and I will give you some additional tips and such. Maybe even do a special video just for you so that you will get some assistance. So try paper play and you tell me what you think. At the end of the day, you have nothing to lose but a wonderful opportunity for therapy and experiencing something that is so beautiful, it would knock you off your feet. So again, thank you. This is Ayesha at trypaperplay.com is where you can find my website. But of course, right here, you can find me here as well. And listen, have yourself a fantastic day. Young's Paper Creation is my channel that you're viewing right now. And for my Etsy, of course, that is Junk Journals for You, where you can find the journals already prepared. I do have, I think, a kit in there or two. So, bye bye.